Well, one of the things we know from some of the research evidence we've had, that there is a gap between the design standards that we've set for buildings and what the actual performance of those buildings is in terms of energy efficiency. So we need to find out more about it, and that's why we've got the industry coming together through the Zero Carbon Hub to advise us on what we do need to do in terms of educating people, in terms possibly of regulation or any other measures that may be necessary. And today I've been able to announce that the government is giving the Zero Carbon Hub £380,000 to help them in doing that work. It's helping me for a start because it's my first visit to Ecobuild, and what will be fabulous is to see a number of the products that are on display, a number of the designers and so on that are exhibiting here. An opportunity for me to learn more, and that applies to anybody who comes here, because even if you're in the business of eco homes, you are often just working in one bit of it. So finding out what other people are doing in other parts of the package is important, not least because one of the things we increasingly know, it's not just about the individual components of a house, but it's how they're all put together that will determine the energy performance of the building. Ecobuild is really important. I mean, Ecobuild as an organization, as a structure, an opportunity for people to come together is crucially important. And increasingly, the general public are realizing how important it is because they're seeing their energy bills climb inexorably at the moment. And therefore, if we live in much more environmentally designed buildings, in much more energy efficient buildings, then we help to reduce those energy bills. If we can, for example, solve the performance gap between design and the actual build performance, then we estimate you could save £100 on the average energy bill per annum in a house. If you combine that with some of the other measures that are available through the Green Deal, you can make, as a consumer, significant savings. So increasingly the public are demanding that we do these things, and that's why it's so important that we have organizations bringing people together as this exhibition and discussion opportunity does.